structures to make sure that we implement.
Orukiiko oru orwesurwe poza ndo reflect rubire rugenderire kwecumentiriza hari ebyo ebikozerwa mu kurwanisa okurubatira abaana.
We used to hear of single mothers, but I want to add on that now we are getting single fathers. But without this community engagement by our community development officers, these vulnerable children would find a lot of challenges.
Omu rukiiko oru kimanyirwe ngu abaana bingi babishiki kuba rukutorobozibwa emishango yahika pooriisi burabuzibwa abatorobozibwe basigara batatungire buringaniza.
It is important that we reflect and open our mind to see how best do we synergy with other partners to ensure that this support given by a court is put to use and there is a lot of sustainability.
Agnes Okidi orukora hanshonga z'amaka n'abaana ha pooriisi ya Kyenjojo nagira ngu nka pooriisi nibakora kyona ekirikubasika okureba ngu emishango y'abaana tiyafeerayo.
Your pocket and photocopy. Now you have to take this survivor for examination. Those doctors, they are good, they are here. Those clinical officers need 50,000 to examine a child. They will ask you, "Afande, how have you come?" You start explaining, you see, you know, this child is very vulnerable. You can see the mother, she has put it, there's no money. Okay, Afande, you wait, I'm busy. She has gone to help others with what? With money. You have fear, you're a victim.
Ripoti ya pooriisi y'omwaka oguhwire neyoreka ngu emishango omutwaro gumwe rushanjwana na gumwe ekakorwa abaana omu ihanga ryona. Ekirikwisa enaku n'okushanga ngu abaana 383 bakatorobozibwa abantu abarikutuura n'akakooko ka siriimu omu mwaka nigwe gumwe. Abaana 97 bo bakatorobozibwa abazaire baabo kandi abaana 9 batorobozibwa abanyabuzaare baabo.
Nosanga mu myezi 3 tusa kutunga abaana.
And this is a vulnerable woman who has never seen 1 million in her life. Now this perpetrator is in court. Now the relatives now goes behind to her. I have here 1 million. Will she refuse that case? Sorry, that money. She's going to receive this money and then she stops coming to court. Now the court will be with the suspect on remand for 2 months. Now witnesses will be called and they will not appear. The moment witnesses do not appear, the case will be what? Dismissed.
Kurwanisa ebizibu by'abaana aba akodo batandikira ihuriro y'okukwatiraho abaana amafuzi hamwe n'abatiine bw'ekoro na n'ekigendererwa ky'okurwanisa obutabanguko bw'omu maka.
The project focuses on prevention of new HIV infections among young people, among children and their caregivers. And it is informed by the number or the statistics.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Jonathan Tsingwiri.